In this particular video, we are going to look at AWS S3, which is a simple and scalable storage service. So we'll go to the AWS Management Console. We'll go to S3, right? So in S3, the way the data is organized is it has top level bucket, what it calls as a bucket. Okay. So these buckets are not nested. So top level there are buckets, and inside the buckets there are objects. Okay. So S3 is an object store. It's a distributed object store. It's not a volume store. It's not like a file system. Okay. So you create a bucket, right? So first thing you have to give a bucket name. Okay. So this bucket name is sort of unique. It's kind of, you know, has to be unique. Okay. So it's across all users. So like, for example, if I try Samir, probably somebody already has a bucket with that name. So I'll give my full name, Samir Mahajan. I know this. Okay. So again, we'll leave the defaults, but you can read all the options here. Okay. And I'll just say create bucket. Okay. So that is the first thing that you do, right? Is you create a bucket. Okay. So then in the bucket, the second thing that you do is you upload a file. Okay. So this is an object. Okay. So it stores the file as an object. So I'll say add files, right? You could do a add folder also. Okay. But I'm going to do add files. And I have done like a lot of these sort of YouTube videos, educational videos you might have seen, right? So let me just upload one of those, right? Sort of a bootstrapping. The previous video that I did on AWS Lambda, I'm going to upload that. Okay, so I'll say upload that video. Okay, and then you have to say upload. Okay, so this will take a while because it's like 157 MB video, right? But you can see that transfer rate is 3.8. It's a decent sort of a transfer rate, right? And it shows the progress bar, 42% done, right? So on and so forth. Okay. So this is a second thing that happens in S3, right? We created a bucket, we are uploading a file. So some of this I have also shown in my AWS CLI video that we did, right? We access this S3 using CLI. Here we are going to access S3 using AWS Management Console, the simplest form of accessing data. Okay. Okay, so now you see this, right? So it kind of uploaded, it shows the size, everything is hanky-dory. Okay. So you can click on it, right? So it will see the it will show the metadata, right? Attributes of it and all that, right? Okay. And this is how you access it, right? So you access it with the URIs S3 colon / bucket name Samir Mahajan / this will be the file name, right? This is how you'll access it. Right, this is the S3 URI. Okay, that's important to know if you are going to access it as using say AWS CLI, which we showed last time, right? The URL at HTTPS site is this. Okay, so this is one URI representation of S3, right? Which is like bucket name dot S3 dot Amazon AWS.com, right? Or this is another way of accessing the URI. Okay. Next thing you can do is you can download it, right? So I'll download it, right? So it's downloading, right? So again, you can see the progress bar, right? So it will take a while because download is typically slower than the upload, right? So it will basically come here, right? On your local machine. And then you can validate that whether it is the same file that you uploaded. Okay, so I'm not going to do it for this particular video, right? But if it were like some smaller file, we could have done it quickly, and maybe that's what we can do. So I uploaded a video. Similarly, I can go back to my bucket, right? Okay, so it says open, download, actions, upload, right? So I'll say upload, right? I'll say add files. Now let me pick a picture, right? So it will be some small file instead of a MP4 video, which was longish, right? So let me just pick this birthday sort of thank you note that I had posted on my birthday, right? So I'll say upload, right? So now this is a small file, right? So it's uploaded quickly. Okay. Now if I go back to my bucket, right, I should see two files, right? My mp4 video, which is kind of still downloading here, right? It takes a while, but this is a birthday jpg, right? That is something that we quickly uploaded, just 80 kilobytes, 80.9 to be precise, right? Then I'll download this, right? Now this should be fairly quick. It's just so it's already done. Okay, so I can open that and just check whether it's the same file that I uploaded. Okay, it is, right? It's my thank you note for my birthday. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and good luck exploring AWS and whatever. If it is like MSc Computer Science you are doing, good luck with your course. Thanks. Bye.